So welcome to Industrial Instrumentation Tutorials, and today we will talk about the basic difference between HART and Fieldbus Foundation. So these are the two protocols which are generally used in oil and gas sector where the instrument signal is traveled from field to DCS or PLC or SCADA. So these two protocol are very important. If you are working in any oil and gas sector or power plant, then you have seen the HART and foundation fieldbus type protocols. So in today's video, I will give you some basic difference between HART and foundation fieldbus. Let us start. So before starting this video, if you are new on our YouTube channel, you can subscribe and also press the bell icon. So whenever we will upload any video related to instrumentation and control field, you will get a notification. So the first is HART. The full form of HART is Highway Addressable Remote Transducer. This is also confusing, but what is the meaning of the T? So here T meaning is transducer. Okay, so this is a hybrid protocol. Why we call it a hybrid protocol? Because it sends a 420 milliampere analog signal with digital communication superimposed on top. Means it is hybrid protocol due to 420 milliampere analog signal as well as digital signals. For example, you can measure the flow and also get a device diagnostic over the same pair of wire. Means you can get the diagnostic parameters also like alarms or something else. So that's why the highway addressable remote transducer means HART protocol is a hybrid protocol. Now coming to the next, which is foundation fieldbus. So it is a pure digital protocol, no analog signal. So all data, control and communication are fully digital over the network. Example, multiple devices share the same cable and exchange parameter directly. This is the advantage. If you want to transmit a signal from field to DCS or some other system, then you need only a one pair of wire which can transmit signal. That is the beauty of foundation fieldbus. Now coming to the next point, what is the key difference? HART is analog plus digital that we have already talked. Foundation field was full digital, multi-drop and more advanced. So this is the basic difference. When we have some features, then we can also distinguish HART and fieldbus foundation. Signal type. This signal type is analog and digital in HART case and fieldbus case digital only. Now wiring point of view, point to point HART and multi-drop network. This is the beauty of foundation fieldbus. Now speed, this is slower and this is faster. Now feature best for upgrading old loop. If we want to upgrade a old loop, then HART can be considered. But if we want to go in a new digital plant, then we should go for a foundation fieldbus. Now tell me about this video section which we have covered. If you want to know something new or if you want to know more video on any specific topic, you can also comment us. If you are new on our YouTube channel, you can subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end.